Hey, Wagwan. Yeah, man, I'm Mr. Garthreed here, and we're going to be looking at a CSEC mathematics past paper question, right, from the January 2018 paper 2, and it's a past paper question on binary operations, okay? And that is in section 6 of the syllabus, that is algebra. The question says, given that a star b means the square root of a plus 4b, where the positive root is taken, determine the value of 1 star 2. Okay? And part 2 says, determine whether the operation denoted by star is commutative, and you are to justify your answer. All right? So star is known as a binary operator. Okay? So let's do part 1. Solution. All right, part 1 says we are to find the value of 1 star 2. So it told us that a star b means the square root of a plus 4b. So I can say that a star b is equal to the square root of a plus 4b, right? The positive root. So it means that 1 star 2 is equal to what? So we're going to replace a as 1 and b as 2, okay? So I will get the square root of a, which is 1, all right, plus 4 times b, which I'm replacing as 2, okay? Good. And that is the square root of 1 plus 4 times 2, that is 8, all right? And this is now equal to the square root of 1 plus 8, that is 9. So I can now say that 1 star 2, all right, 1 star 2 is equal to the square root of 9, which is 3. Okay? That is my answer for part 1 of the question. So the value of 1 star 2 is 3. All right? The value of 1 star 2 is 3. Let's now do part 2, which says to determine whether the operation denoted by star is commutative, and we are to justify our answer. All right? Let's look at part 2 here. Part 2, solution. Okay, so what do you know about commutativity now? All right, so let's write a statement here for commutativity. All right, which I just mean that in order for commutativity to happen, right, for star to be commutative, it means A star B is equal to B star A. All right, for all A and B, which are real numbers, right? Remember, we're dealing with real numbers here. So remember that A star B is equal to the square root of A plus 4B. All right? So what would B star A be? Right? What is B star A? So I'm going to replace A as B, and I'm going to replace B as A. If I do that, I will get A, which I'm replacing as B, plus 4 times B, which I'm replacing as A. All right? So A star B is equal to the square root of A plus 4B, and B star A is equal to the square root of B plus 4A. Are those two equal? Is the square root of A plus 4B the same as the square root of B plus 4A? No, it is not. All right? It is not. So since that is so, I'm going to write a statement here. So I'm going to say since A star B is not equal to B star A, it implies that the binary operator star, the binary operator star is not commutative, all right, in the set of real numbers. Okay, that is my solution. All right. Now, in order for you to just understand what I did here, all right, just to make it clear. So in other words, we're saying that the a star b, we know that is equal to the square root of a plus 4b, right? And we had calculated the value of 1 star 2 as 3, all right? That is what we had. So when we say commutativity, all right, we're saying that a star b must be equal to b star a. So b star a is the square root of b plus 4a, all right? And what I'm now saying is that, I'm write it here in a circle. What I'm now saying is that for commutativity to happen, it means that 1 star 2 must be equal to 2 star 1. All right, we know that 1 star 2 is 3. Let us now calculate 2 star 1. So I'm just doing this just for you to get the understanding of what the commutative property says. All right, so this is the square root of, we're replacing b as 2 and we're replacing a as 1. All right, if we do that, we get b, which is 2, plus 4 times a. Remember, a is 1, right? So I will have 4 times 1, which is 4, all right? And I will get 2 star 1 is equal to the square root of what? So we know that 4 plus 2 is 6, right? It is 6. So we have the square root of 6. So clearly you can see that 1 star 2 is not equal to 2 star 1, right? Because 1 star 2 is 3 and 2 star 1 is the square root of 6. Okay? So in this case, a star b is not equal to b star a. So it means that the binary operator star is not commutative in the set of real numbers. All right? And that is the solution for this past paper question from the January 2018 paper 2. All right? If this video was helpful, please ensure to like this video. And if you aren't a subscriber already, please ensure to subscribe to the channel. All right? I am Mr. Garth Reed, student ambassador for the University of Technology, Jamaica, and I'm a mathematics teacher in training in the School of Mathematics and Statistics. I thank you for joining.